In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade futures live with Tradovate on TradingView. This process involves a few essential steps, but once set up, you'll be well on your way to trading futures seamlessly. First things first, setting up your Tradovate account. Begin by making sure you have your login credentials ready. You'll need to access your active Tradovate account, so log in and ensure everything is up to date. Once logged in, head over to the application settings within Tradovate. Here, one crucial step is to activate the TradingView add-on. This add-on is necessary because it forms the bridge between Tradovate and TradingView. Now, it's also important to have a market data subscription. This subscription enables you to view and trade futures live on TradingView. You can choose to subscribe to market data feeds for the specific exchanges you wish to trade, like CME or NYMEX, directly from the Tradovate platform. With your Tradovate account good to go, it's time to connect to TradingView. Start by logging into your TradingView account. Once you're in, navigate to the Trading panel, which you'll find at the bottom of your TradingView chart. The Trading panel is where all the broker connections happen. From the list of supported brokers, you'll want to select Tradovate. Once selected, authenticate the connection by entering your Tradovate username and password. Make sure to choose the live trading mode so that your trades are executed in real time. And now we move to the exciting part, placing trades on TradingView. Begin by selecting a future symbol from your chart's symbol list. This selection should be based on the specific market you're interested in trading. Once you have your symbol, you can use the long-short position tools available directly on the chart. These tools are intuitive and helpful in visually setting up your trades. Here's where you'll define your entry, stop loss, and take profit levels. These levels are crucial for managing your trades effectively, as they dictate when to enter, exit, and minimize potential losses. After setting these parameters, it's time to execute. Submit your order by clicking the buy or sell button depending on your market analysis. This action will send your order directly to the market through the connected Tradovate platform, and you're now actively trading futures live. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to trading futures live using Tradovate on TradingView. With the right setup and a bit of practice, you'll be navigating the futures market with ease. Happy trading!